Good afternoon, ma'am. Um, this afternoon I am going to present and talk about the maritime human error. Humans have relied on oceans, rivers, and lakes to deliver goods from one place to another throughout the history. Um, they use ships in delivering goods from one place to another because it is the cheapest and fastest way of transportation. A ship is comprised of many elements which uh, affect its performance. And although the system is automated, it also needs human factor for it to operate. And because there is human factor, there will always be errors because humans are not perfect. Do you know about the MV Costa Concordia disaster?
No.
MV Costa Concordia is an Italian cruise ship which grounded somewhere in Mediterranean Sea. Um, this accident happened on January 13, 2012. This accident happened because the captain himself did not follow the planned course and deviated to other course, and that is why it hits the reef in the shallow part of the Mediterranean Sea. This accident is obviously caused by human error. This speech is to give knowledge, especially to us maritime students, because sometime in the near future, we will be able to use this information when we are on board. The maritime system is a people system which consists of people, technology, and environment. People serves as the center of the system because it needs human to operate these factors. And because humans are at its center, it will be the weakest part of the system. And this will lead into errors which influences the other factors. Human error. Human error means that something has been done that was not intended by the actor. It means that when a person do something, the result is not what he has expected or what he has not intended to do. This error usually results into something bad or even accidents which cause the death of many people. Causes of human error. First cause is the fatigue. Fatigue is a factor which needs improvement not only in the maritime industry but also in other industries such as aviation industry and automotive industries. It has also been cited as the number one concern and problem of mariners because when a person experiences fatigue, he became absent-minded and sleepy during his work, and that is why the accidents happen. Next is lack of communication. Lack of communication usually occur when two people does not agree on the same thing. An example is when a pilot comes on board the ship with the master. The pilot and the master has different perceptions and decisions, and if they does not agree on something, then it will or they will not cooperate with each other, then errors will occur. Next is training, knowledge, and skills. These training, knowledge, and skills are important and are molded before we go on board. It is not. It is very important to have this knowledge, skills, and training because it will be the foundation on becoming a successful seafarer. Next is the working schedules. Working schedules refer to the time of working time of an officer or a seafarer on board. If a seafarer does not have enough rest, then you will experience fatigue and then it will cause accident. Next is ship system. In order to operate a ship, we need to know its systems, like its technology, such as the radar. If you don't know how to use the radar, then you have no proper training on using it, then it will be useless. Next is decision making. Some seafarers, when influenced by alcohol or are not on themselves, make poor decisions, which also causes accidents. Effects of human error. Human error leads to collisions, damage to ships, and fatal accidents and damage to the environment. Human error can lead to collision with another ship and grounding. These cases will cause heavy damages to the ship, and also it will cost a lot of money. Next is fatal accidents. It will also cause fatal accidents because everyone on board or the passengers life are on your hands. So if you make some errors, then the passengers or the other people on the ship will suffer. Next is damage to the environment. When there are maritime accidents, there's a possibility that there will be an oil spill. This oil spill kills many marine creatures and it affects the living of the people living on shores. Knowledge rests not upon truth alone, but upon error. This is quote by Carl Jung. It means that we don't get knowledge through learning, but also on our error. With every error that we made, sometime will come up on a solution on this human error. It is impossible to eliminate this error, but it can be reduced significantly. We can control these errors by designing technology designs, adapting to working environment, improving human performance, and especially having a proper discipline and following the rules and regulations. Thank you and